Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing an oil change on a 2017 Cadillac XT5. Here's the supply and tools you'll need. You'll need a 15mm wrench or socket, a 3/8 ratchet, and a 1-inch extension, and the oil filter wrench tool. This is your oil filter. I used the K&N, which is PS2011. And you also need 6 quarts of the 5W30 oil. I'm using the Mobil 1 oil. Alright, first thing first, you go ahead and open your engine hood, and this is the engine bay right here. This is your engine oil cap. This is your engine dipstick. If you need to know what kind of engine oil this engine takes, it's right here, 5W30. Go ahead and open the oil fill cap. And let's get down on the bottom. Alright, here's the bottom of the vehicle. This is the engine oil pan, this is the oil drain plug, and this is the oil filter. First, I'm going to go ahead and remove the oil filter since it's the easiest to drain first. Once that's done draining out, I'm going to get my new oil filter. Go ahead and wipe the old oil out from the oil filter and put your new oil filter in. Some people like to lube the gasket right here, but I don't think it make any difference. Hand tighten this. Now go to the drain plug. You can loosen this bolt with a 15mm wrench or a star bolt that is right in the middle. Alright, once it's done being drained, go ahead and put your drain bolt back. I'm using a wrench, so I'm going to hand tighten with the wrench. Don't over tighten this. And you don't have to worry about the drain plug gasket because this one has a built-in drain plug gasket for you, so you don't have to worry about that. Now go ahead and get your funnel and fill up your engine. I'm getting some reading on the dipstick, so I'm going to go ahead and put it to level ground, turn on the engine, and then recheck it again. Alright, so I turn on the engine, I let the oil circulate for a couple of seconds, I set the vehicle at level ground, and now I'm going to go ahead and check the dipstick, see where the level is at. Alright, it's still not there, so I'm going to go ahead and top this thing off until it's 6 quart and then recheck. Alright, I just checked the dipstick and it's right on the dipstick, and so it's good. Alright, once you're done doing the oil change, you want to reset your maintenance light. First, go ahead and turn on your vehicle. As you can see, there's the change engine oil light on. You're going to have to use these buttons to navigate to the menu. So first I'm going to use this one right here to go to the left side. And as you can see, there's the oil life. And if you press up or down, then this is the menu for it. Once you go and find your oil life, go ahead and press the select button right here. You go ahead and press the select button and hold down. And that will reset your oil life to 100%. And that is it for this oil change video. If you have any other comments, questions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.